So do you simply feel unhappy at your job? Believe me, I know how you feel. Why? You haven't discovered or found out your purpose on planet Earth. Remember, when you discover your purpose and put that into practicality, your purpose brings you fulfillment and so much happiness. Your job, you weren't put here on planet Earth simply just to have a job, earn a living, pay off liabilities or creditors. That is something people sold to us and we bought into that program. Why? The masses are following that structure put in place. But you need to discover, dig deep inside of you, get to work with your purpose so that your purpose can make room for you, so that when you wake up in the morning, you are like, wow, today I can impact people's lives, I can educate, I can teach. You will be the head, not the tail. You will be the overseer to train, teach, educate, inspire, mentor, coach people to become a good stewardship on money. You will have the financial wisdom to teach people how they should manage their money better, saving, investing, building businesses. You will be an overseer, a ruler, depending on what your purpose is to share with people. So I hope this video makes some kind of sense to you. So thank you and you're welcome.